Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight I'm just going to do a beef stir fry. Now this isn't your authentic beef stir fry. This is just a homemade beef stir fry with stuff that I had in the freezer. I took a couple of New York steaks and thawed those out real quick and sliced them up and put them in a bag. That's what I got right here. I was out of soy sauce, so I put some hoisin sauce, a little bit of oil, I put a little bit of Worcester sauce, I put some sriracha, I put a little bit of ginger and a little bit of garlic, and then they've been marinating for about an hour. And then the only other thing we're going to use is the non-authentic steam fresh. It has broccoli, carrots, sugar snap peas, and water chestnuts. And this is going to go for our stir fry, and then we're going to serve it on a bed of rice. We're going to do that here on the Blackstone Griddle, so let's get it going. All right, for this beef stir fry, I'm using 2 New York steaks. They're not completely thawed yet because I need to slice them a little thin, and it's a little easier when they're not fully thawed out, but just about. They're still cold. And I'm gonna cut the fat off. We want to trim them up a little bit. We don't need fat on it with a stir fry. Yes, fat is flavor, but in the stir fry, you don't want to be chewing on that fat. So just gonna cut them up and then slice them in about 1/8 inch slices. So I'm gonna put these in my handy dandy meat slicer, just like that. Get them all cut up. And I'm gonna do the same thing, of course, to the other steak. After it's trimmed up, handy dandy slicer, 1/8 of an inch thick. And then once you get them all sliced up, I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc baggie so that we can marinate them for about an hour and a half, something like that. Doesn't really matter. You know, I'm going to start off with some hoisin sauce. I didn't show, I got a little bit of ginger and garlic in there already. About a tablespoon, just kind of eyeball it. It's only a couple of steaks sliced up in there. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of Worcester sister sauce. And then I'm going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're just going to seal it up. And actually, I'm going to leave this on the counter for about an hour because since it was all not quite frozen, thawed. Anyway, and get it out to the grill after that. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of oil down. Maybe 1/2 of a tablespoon, if that. Let that heat up for a second. Okay, that's been heating up for a couple of minutes. We're going to get our beef on there. Got to get it all out of there. Let's either have this on a medium high. So this should cook up pretty fast. So I'm going to go ahead and get my vegetables on here. Over here. Mix them up, keep them going. I'm going to go ahead and mix them together. Go. Within minutes, this is ready to take off of here. We'll get this off of here in a second. Cut it up with some rice. Before we plate this up, before we take it off, I forgot I was going to add some more hoisin sauce to it. This stuff is delicious. Okay. All right. Like that. Look at that. How easy was that? It's like 30 degrees out here. It's a little breezy. It's really cold. Beef stir fry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my taste test right now. Oh man, that is awesome. A quick little marinade did a great job, tons of flavor. I'm gonna get this inside, put it over some rice, and get eating. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Here it is, served up in over a bed of rice using some fine china. Oh, so good.